All right, here we are in a 2019 Nissan Rogue push to start. We're just doing a spare key. So this is ours, this is the original. Doesn't matter doing all keys lost or spare in this situation. Hazards are already on. We're going to program keys. It's going to erase. Yes, we want to continue. Go ahead and hit lock. There we are. Yes. You just heard a beep. Just went into learn mode. Okay, so we're going to use their existing procs. Just always put the original back in. Go ahead and touch it to here and hold it. See our security light flash 5 times right by the 8. We'll hold it here for a couple of seconds. Okay. We'll hit OK. Yes, we want to program more. We're just going to shut it off with our finger. Okay. We're going to do the same thing with our new one. There we are. We see our flashing 5 times there. We'll wait a couple seconds. Okay. No. Shut it off. All right. And we're going to take the first one again. Should get some beeps. There it is. We'll probably shut it off and get registration complete. And there it is. As you can see, complete on the tester. Go ahead and test it out. Original. New one. Obviously, both of them will start it. Doesn't matter. Shut the door, you'll see no lights on or anything like that. We're good to go. 2019 Nissan Rogue push to start.